everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. Open your browser and search from simreg.smart.com.ph. In this video, I will show you how to register your SIM card. After you ma-search yung simreg.smart.com.ph, ito yung lalabas. Ito yung makikita nyo. Step 1. Get your PIN. So in order to get your PIN, you have to register here your number. Enter your mobile number. After you enter your number, you must read and understand the terms and conditions and the privacy note. So kayo na lang mag-open yan, and then after nyo siya mabasa, click nyo lang yung check dun sa checkbox. And here, makikita nyo yung please enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. So, antayin niyo lang yung code na magte-text sa inyo. And after na, nilalagay niyo yan dito. And here, may makikita kayong note. For Smart Bro Prepaid and Prepaid Home Wi-Fi subscribers, please click here for instructions on how to retrieve your OTP. And para naman sa mga PLD to home customers, please click here to register your SIM. And i-click niyo lang yan kapag ang i-register niyo nga na SIM is Smart Bro or PLDT home customers kayo. Yan yung i-tweet nyo naman yun nasa number 2. So dahil regular SIM card, smart SIM lang naman yung gagamitin ko, hindi ko na i-click yan, naantayin ko na yung OTP na mag-send sa akin. And makikita nyo naman dito yung 9 minutes dyan. Sa akin, naantay ko pa kasi hindi pa dumadating. So, hindi siya dumating sa number ko. Kapag ganyan, yung problem nyo, i-click nyo lang tong resend OTP dito sa kalapit ng mobile number na nilagay nyo kanina. Kasi baka nagkaroon ng problem. So, yan. Kinlik ko na yung resend OTP and yan, dumating na. Ilalagay ko na siya dito sa baba. If ever na hindi pa lang dumating sa inyo, mag-wait pa ulit kayo ng 2 minutes para maklik nyo yung resend OTP. After nyo malagay yung OTP, click nyo na yung verify OTP and makikita nyo na itong success. After that, you'll see here types of registration. Click nyo na dyan. I'm registering a new bot SIM. So yan yung topic natin for today. So yan yung ilalagay natin. And choose nationality, and you will see here a lot of nationality. So Philippines yung ilalagay natin. And ID card. Ito yung mga different types of ID. So, ang akin is postal ID. After that, ID verification. So, sa kanila na yan, and click nyo na lang yung take a photo. After nyo ma-take yung photo ng ID nyo, automatic na mag-fill up yan. Pwede nyo rin naman siyang i-manual na ilagay yung last name nyo, yung first name, middle name, and ID card number. Pero ako, take a photo ang gagawin ko dito. So yan, kung gusto nyo kaya maglagay, lagyan nyo dito yung ID card number nyo. And then, proceed to the last name, first name, last name, and saka middle name. At kung gusto nyo namang mapadali, is i-click nyo itong take photo, itong kulay green button. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng ibang ID dito. Nilagay ko lang is postal ID. And then, click na itong take photo. Then, click allow to use your camera. Then, picturean nyo na yung front ng ID nyo. Then, nalabas naman dito yung kulay blue sa may gilid. So, tinakpan ko na lang yung ID ko for privacy purposes. And then, after the ID photo, scan face naman siya. Get ready to scan your face. So, yan. Mayroon din naman instruction dito. Basahin nyo na lang. And as you can see, ang bilis lang. Your ID was successfully scanned. And click OK to proceed to the next step. And as I said earlier, yan, nag-fill out na yung mga information dito. Automatic na siya. Kung ano yung na-scan dun sa ID nyo, automatic na siya nandyan. Ang lalagyan nyo na lang na information is itong address. Pero syempre, kung ano yung nakalagay na address dun sa ID nyo, dapat mag-match siya dito sa ilalagay nyo. So ito yung makikita nyo dito, guys. And then alternate contact information. And here it says, please input at least one contact information. We will be using this to contact you in case we need to further validate the information you provided. For landline numbers, please include the area code, example 0288881111. So, lagyan nyo na yung alternate contact number niya dito. Pero optional lang din naman to. Same goes with the email address. Optional lang din. Pero lagyan nyo pa rin. And then dito sa address, lagyan nyo na yung house lot number. And then street, village or subdivision, unit, floor, and building, province, and then dito sa province, click this select and you'll see here a lot of provinces. Hanapin nyo na lang din yung province nyo and click nyo na dyan and madali na yung mga susunod. Kasi ganun lang din. Pipili na lang din kayo katulad nito. And then explore nyo na lang, sabulan nyo na lang lahat yan and then click nyo na yung next para makapag-proceed na tayo dito sa pag-register. And then may summary dyan. Double check nyo na lang yung mga information na nilagay nyo. I hereby attest that I personally accomplished the registration and that the information and identification documents I provided are true, accurate, and correct. In compliance with Republic Act 11934 or an act requiring the registration of subscriber identity module. Then click nyo na yung submit. Then, itong nasa baba naman, would you like to receive customized offers from us? So, mga notification niya na mag-send sa inyo messages, mga ganun. Kung gusto niyo makareceive sa kanila, click nyo lang yung check dito sa checkbox. And as you can see, congratulations, you have successfully registered your SIM. You will receive a welcome SMS once your SIM is fully activated. And ganun ako simple, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.